How are you? I am Advocate Gaurav Kumar Gupta. I am Chartered Accountant and MBA Finance and PhD holder. आज जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं टाइप्स ऑफ डिग्री। डिग्री कितने प्रकार के होते हैं? डिग्री इन ओरिजिनल, नो फाइलिंग अंडर एनी स्पेशल क्लास लिस्टेड बिलो। प्रिलिमिनरी डिग्री में होता है व्हेन फर्दर प्रोसीडिंग हैव टू बी टेकन बिफोर द सूट इज डिस्पोज ऑफ। Preliminary decree are not executable. It is only final decree which can be executed. Preliminary डिग्री को एक्सिक्यूटेबल नहीं किया जाता है, केवल फाइनल डिग्री को ही एक्सिक्यूटेड किया जा सकता है। इन केस शंकर वर्सेस चंद्रकांत, द सुप्रीम कोर्ट स्टेटेड, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा शंकर वर्सेस चंद्रकांत के केस में ए प्रिलिमिनरी डिग्री इज वन विच डिक्लेयर the right and liability of the parties, leaving the actual result to be worked out in further proceedings. Then, as a result of further inquiry conducted pursuant to the preliminary decree, the right of the party are fully determined. A decree is passed in accordance with such determination, which is final. Both the decree are in the same suit. Final decree में a final decree may be said to become final in two ways. When the time for appeal has expired without any appeal being filed against the preliminary decree, as the matter has been decided by the highest court. When, as regard to court passing the decree, the same extent the completely disposal. Consent decree. Consent decree का मतलब होता है a consent decree can be never be a contract only though it required free consent both the party. It is the result of adjudication and reason of such adjudication is consent of party. Preliminary and final decree. A decree for position and monthly profit can be preliminary for monthly profit and final for position. Ordinary then will be one preliminary decree and one final decree in one suit. गुलूसम बीबी वर्सेस अहमद दास राठौर AIR 1999 MAD the High Court of Madras referring to rules 12 and 18 of Order 20 of the Code state neither rule contemplates more than one preliminary decree and one final decree in one suit. In fact, the code nowhere contemplates more than one final decree is one suit. To have two final decree and call the first one final decree will be really misnomer as it will not be final. Deemed decree nature and concept. The term deemed is generally used to create a statutory fiction for the purpose of extending the meaning which is to does not expressly common. Order 21 Rule 58 Clause 4 में decree that the order made under subsection Rule Clause 3 will have the same fare and be subject to same conditions as to appeal, otherwise as if it were a decree. Thus, the order is decreed to be deemed decree, not a decree by itself. That such orders are not the covered by the definition under section 2 clause 2, namely of decree, so as to attract the provisions section 96 the civil proceeding code, and therefore only a miscellaneous appeal lie against such order, not a regular appeal. The rejections of a plant and determination of coactions under section 144 institutions and adjudications under order 21 rule 58 as also under order 21 rule 98 100 are deemed decree. Order 20 judgment and decree. Contents of decree. The decree shall agree with the judgment. It shall contain the number of the suit, the name of descriptions of the party, their registered address, particular of the claim, and shall specify clearly relief granted other determination of the suit. The decree shall also state the amount of costs incurred in the suit and by by whom, out of what property, in what proportions such costs are to be paid. The court may direct the cost payable to one party by others shall be set off against any sum which is admitted, found the due from former to the later. Former to the later. Every endeavor shall be made ensure that the decree is drawn up as expeditiously as possible. In any case, within 15 days on the date on which the judgment is pronounced. Pronounced means होता है सुनाया जाना. An appeal may be preferred against the decree without filing a copy of the decree, and in the such case the copy made available to party by the court shall for the proper purpose of Rule 1 of Order 10 be treated as the decree, but as soon as the decree is drawn, the judgment shall cease to have the effect a decree from purpose of execution or any other purpose. Copy of judgment when the made of available. Where the judgment is pronounced, copy of judgment shall be made available to the parties immediately after the pronouncement of the judgment, for preferring an appeal on payment of such charge as may be specified, rule made by the High Court. Date of decree. The decree shall Date of decree. The decree shall bear the day on which the judgment was pronounced. When the judge has satisfied himself that the decree has been drawn up in accordance with the judgment. जजमेंट के अनुसार ही वो ड्रॉन अप होता है डिक्री. ही शैल साइन द डिक्री. तब हम डिक्री पर साइन करेंगे. प्रोसीजर वेयर जज हैव वैकेट ऑफिस बिफोर द साइन डिक्री. वेयर ए जज has vacate office after pronouncing judgment, but without the signing the decree. A decree drawn up in accordance with such judgment may be signed by his successor if the court has ceased to exist by judge of any court to which such court was subordinate. Decree for recovery for immovable property. Where the subject matter of the suit is immovable property, the decree shall contain a description of such property sufficient to identify the same, and where such property can be identified by boundaries, by number in record of a statement, survey, the decree shall specify such boundary या number. Decree for delivery of movable property. Where the suit for movable property and the decree for the delivery of such property, the decree shall also state the amount of money to be paid. Alternative delivery cannot be had. Decree may be direct payment by installment. Wherein in so far as the decrees for payment of money, the court for any sufficient reasons incorporated in the decree after hearing such of the parties who had appeared personally by pleaders at the state last hearing before her judgment and order, payment of the amount decree shall be postponed, shall be made by installment, with or without interest, notwithstanding anything contained in the contract under which money is payable. Order after decree for payment by installment. After the passing of any such decree, the court may, on the application of the judgment debtor, with the consent of the decree holder, order that payment of the amount decree shall be postponed, shall be made by installment on such term as to payment of interest, the attachment of the property of the judgment debtor, the taking of security from him, otherwise as think fit. Decree for possession and monthly profit. Where a suit for recovery of possession for immovable property for rent, monthly profit, court may pass decree for the possession of the property, for the rents which have accrued on the property during the period prior of institution of suit, directing the inquiry such rent, names and descriptions the parties. This was directing the inquiry. Decree for special performance of contract for the sale of lease of immovable property. Decree in एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सूट. डिक्री जो होता है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सूट पे भी लागू किया जाता है. उसके बाद आइए डिक्री इज प्री एक्सेप्शनल सूट, डिक्री इन सूट फॉर दिस डिजुलेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप। जब पार्टनरशिप का विघटन होता है तो उसमें भी डिक्री जारी किया जाता है। वेयर ए सूट इज फॉर डिजुलेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, द टेकिंग ऑफ पार्टनरशिप अकाउंट, द कोर्ट बिफोर पासिंग ए फाइनल डिक्री may pass the preliminary decree declaring the proportionate share of the party, fixing the day on which the partnership shall stand dissolved, be deemed to have been dissolved, and directing the account be taken and act done as it is thinked। अगले वीडियो में डिक्री सूट ऑफ अकाउंट बिटवीन प्रिंसिपल एंड एजेंट के बारे में जिक्र करेंगे। स्पेशल डायरेक्शन पे अकाउंट क्या होता है उसके बारे में जिक्र करें। सर्टिफाइड कॉपी जजमेंट डिक्री फर्निश्ड, जजमेंट डिक्री का फर्निश्ड क्या है उसके बारे में डिटेल करेंगे। और ऑर्डर 20 रूल 2 हमें ये बताता है कि सूट फॉर पोजीशन एंड मेंशनी प्रॉफिट। ऑर्डर 20 रूल 2 हमें ये बताता है सीपीसी में सूट फॉर पोजीशन मेंशनी प्रॉफिट। ऑर्डर 20 रूल 13 हमें ये बताता है एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सूट। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सूट क्या होता है। ऑर्डर 20 रूल 40 हमें डील करता है सूट फॉर प्री एग्जाम्पशन, पहले से प्री एग्जाम्पशन। ऑर्डर 20 रूल 50 मतलब डिजुलेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप, पार्टनरशिप का डिजुलेशन होता है उस सेंशन में अंडर द बिलो द प्रोविजन प्रीलिमिनरी डिक्री कैन बी पास्ड, किस समय प्रीलिमिनरी डिक्री पास किया जा सकता है। ऑर्डर 20 रूल 15 बताता है डिजुलेशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप में प्रीलिमिनरी डिक्री का प्रोविजन कैसे किया जाता है। ऑर्डर 20 रूल 60 में सूट फॉर अकाउंट बिटवीन प्रिंसिपल एंड एजेंट, एजेंट और प्रिंसिपल के बीच में जो अकाउंट का जो सूट होता है वो ऑर्डर 2 रूल 60 हमें बताता है। ऑर्डर 20 रूल 80 हमें बताता है सूट फॉर पार्टीशन एंड सेपरेट पोजीशन, पार्टीशन सूट के लिए और सेपरेट पोजीशंस के लिए हमें प्रीलिमिनरी डिक्री कैसे पास कर सकते हैं। ऑर्डर 34 रूल 23 में फॉर क्लोजर ऑफ मॉर्गेज, मॉर्गेज मीन्स बंधक। ऑर्डर 34 रूल 5 हमें बताता है सेल ऑफ मॉर्गेज प्रॉपर्टी, बंधक प्रॉपर्टी को आप कैसे बेचेंगे या प्रीलिमिनरी डिक्री के संबंध में बताता है। ऑर्डर 34 रूल 7 से लेकर रूल 8 तक रिडम्पशन ऑफ मॉर्गेज, मॉर्गेज का रिडम्पशन करना, भुगतान करना, रिडीम्ड करना। भुगतान है, रिडम्पशन मीन्स क्या होता है जो मॉर्गेज है बकाया हुआ है जो बंधक है उसका आप रिडम्पशन कैसे करें। अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ क्रेडिफाइड कॉपी जजमेंट एंड डिक्री, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ सर्टिफाइड कॉपी ऑफ जजमेंट एंड डिक्री according to order 20 rule 20 certified copy judgment and decree shall be furnished the party application could be expensive। decree order judgment, decree section 2 clause 2 हमें बताता है, order section 40 में बताया गया और judgment section 2 clause 9 में बताया गया। इस अगले वीडियो में हम आपको डिस्कस करेंगे डिक्री ऑर्डर और जजमेंट क्या होता है, उसका डीप में आपको ले जाएंगे। डिक्री ऑर्डर जजमेंट में क्या कंट्रोवर्शियल है, कैसे इसको समझेंगे, डिक्री का मतलब क्या होता है, ऑर्डर क्या होता है, इसके अलग से हम डीप वीडियो बनाएंगे जो हिंदी वर्जन, आज तो आपको इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन किया है, इसका ही हिंदी में हम आपको अगले वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। आज का वीडियो यहीं पे वाइप आउट कर रहे हैं। दैट्स ऑल।